we are not far from the official announcement of the Intel 9th generation CPU, with more information downloaded on all of its upcoming upgraded CPUs, including the flagship i7-9700K and Core i7-9700K. Intel will have 3 different K-series SKUs at the launch of the 9th generation. These will include Core i9-9900K, Core i7-9700K and Core i5-9600K. The 3 processors will be compatible with the new motherboards of the Z390 chipset, but will also work on the current generation Z370 motherboards, of which I am sure we will see that BIOS updates extend from the motherboard's manufacturer shortly after Intel reveal the new CPU. But the interesting thing about these new leaks is that Intel will change its counting game CPU cores with the 9th generation, where the flagship Core i9-9900K will be sent as a monstrous 8C/16T chip with a 3.6 GHz CPU clock and 5 GHz increase. Intel will convert the Core i7-9700K into an 8C/8T chip with hyper-threading disabled, with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a CPU clock of 4.9 GHz, which will be a CPU that will fall just below the current Core i7-8700K, which is a 6C/12T design. Finally, we have the Core i5-9600K, which is another CPU with hyper-threading disabled, which means that we will see its launch as a 6C/6T processor with a 3.7 GHz base clock and a 4.6 GHz clock.